quick update on the bird project we were working. There's happy koi on the pond swimming. There is a clear indication of some interested candidates coming and picking the food ball. Sunflower seeds, yeah. Some seeds have fallen down, yeah. Some birds would have tried to come and peck and have some food. Sunflower seeds. I've installed the camera there, one here, one right in the back, and the bird house is here.